Folks, we got hooked up with a fish here. Went back to my little rooster tail. Threw it out, and as soon as it hit the water, something nailed it. Got no idea what it is. Yeah, it's a white bass. Get him down here. It's a decent white bass right there. Get him. Got him on this rooster tail here. There we go. And we got down that duck poop right there. That was real smart. Pretty good hookup on him right there. There we go. See if we can't get him turned loose here. Yeah, get him turned loose right here. There he goes. Oh, man, that was a nice hit. Yeah, I got him. I don't think he's very big, though, but we got him. Kept getting a strike out there. Yeah, I don't think he's very... No, actually, he's a pretty decent-sized fish. He was just kind of running away from me a little bit. Yeah, that's a little white bass. A little white bass right there. That's number 2 on that curly, excuse me, not the curly tail, but the rooster tail. There you go, number 2. All right, let's get him back out there, and we'll get us another one, hopefully. There he goes. I'm getting a little bit active right here at dark. Probably got about 15 more minutes. About 15 more minutes of fishing light left before we have to depart the premises. Oh, got one on, folks. It was like a pretty decent fish. Boy, he took off running. Get up here against these rocks on me. Get him back out here away from those rocks a little bit. See what we got. That might be a... Yeah, that's a skipjack. I foul hooked a skipjack. That's why it felt so big. Alright, that's... sorry about that, Mr. Skipjack. We'll get you unhooked right here. I tell you what, when you get them foul hooked like that, you can't really do too much with them. Alright, folks, there we go. Little skipjack, let him go. We got one on here, folks. Finally got another one on. I think this will be number 3. Pretty nice fish right there. Fairly decent fish. It's a good one. It's what we've been looking for. They just haven't been here. But it's kind of the par for the course. They move in about dark. We got about maybe 10 more minutes of light left here. I'll get him turned loose here. All right, little buddy, appreciate it. See you on that next one. There he goes. There's one, folks. Oh, son, he came off. No, he's still on. Felt like a good one. Can't really tell. It's not that big. He just hit it hard right there. It's a little one. It's one of those little sand bass right there. He just hit it hard. Come running for it. You turn loose right there. Got one on. This is like a decent white bass. Yeah, that's a decent white bass. Good one. Oh yeah. Decent one. Okay, keep turning loose. There we go, finally, 20 minutes later. That's what we got here. Got a decent white bass, looks like. Yeah, it's a good white bass. Decent fish. I wasn't sure if they were going to be in here or not, but this is a pretty nice one. We got him on that curly tail right there, folks. Fishing under a float. Get him turned loose here. We got one on, folks. Pretty decent little white bass. If I can get him in right over here. Yeah, there we go. Decent little old white bass. Nice little old white bass. I think that's number 3 or 4 today. Tear him loose here.
Small, but I got.
We got a fish on. Finally, felt like a pretty good fish. I think that's a decent white bass. Really pulling hard. Really pulling hard there. That's a little bigger one, I think. Oh yeah, that one really seems to be pulling hard. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Well, there we did a quick release on a white bass. Oh well. Got another one on here, folks. That's a nice fish. Fishing with a little curly tail today. A little young curly tail grub. And this is a decent little fish right here. Let's get him over here. Yeah, I foul hooked him, whatever it is. Yeah, I foul hooked the skipjack. Second one that's happened to. Alright folks. Little skipjack right there.